I'm shooting the intro. We're a little ways into this. There'll be some video clips of some before pictures and stuff of when we bought this, but we picked up this 1,000 square foot ranch. Had a kitchen fire, and we got it pretty cheap, and we're going to gut it out and do some work to it. I'll give you an update here too after that. This is the backyard. We did cut the grass once, but some big old trees. We're gonna have to have them all topped out and clean up all this brush. But that's the kitchen window from the kitchen fire. We got some felt paper up there in the only hole, patched up for now. The plywood is gonna have to be replaced on the roof from here to the door on this back side. The front side we'll be able to just strip and reshingle. Then we're going to strip everything else. New soffits, new fascias, new siding, doors, windows, whole thing. We're basically taking it down to the studs. This is the only side of the house that was relatively untouched, except for right up there on the gable. The crawl space is only about 18 inches tall, and access is limited. We're going to cut some holes in the floor to make the repairs we need to make, and then we'll have to find a new access. Morning guys, this is the newest project here. Picked up this house on next town over, and it caught on fire obviously, so we're going to be redoing it. This is the start of our project. Today we're just going to be taking all the junk out, start hauling stuff out, and just kind of working our way through it. We're gonna start hauling things out, and we'll kind of take you guys along in the process of the remodel. 2 hours in. This is when you walk through the door. There's the kitchen there. We got this cleared out. Took a couple hours. We're just gonna keep working away, scooping more of the kitchen out, cleaning it out, and then we'll work our way back to the rooms. That's it so far. Okay guys, we're getting it cleared out. Got the floor all scraped out. Pulled some more drywall. It's gonna be it for the day. We still gotta work that hallway down. Here's our update so far. That's where the kitchen was. We got it out. This was the master bedroom in here. We're working our way down. We're just trying to do this in our spare time, so it's taking quite a while.